Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain, is Kukoy shop legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end, as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, we can see that they do not have any categories, but they have Halloween mask, and we can see that these images seems like very much authentic. Here they have also mentioned their Halloween gifts, and they also have their featured products as well. Here at the bottom page they have mentioned that they will take PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Maestro and American Express as their mode of payment. Here we can see that the images of these products looks very much good. We can see that the website is loading images very low, but see, the images and the products are very much amazing. Zombies who love candy, Christmas toy stamps, jigsaw, news puzzle and sunrise at the port. We can see that the prices of these products are heavily discounted. They are mostly having 50% discount, and they have also mentioned that they will provide free shipping on all purchases over $39. So now let's move ahead to other details like shipping. So here they have mentioned that they will provide free shipping and their processing time, and that they will take around 7 to 15 business days to deliver your order. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 28th July 2020, which means it is approximately 2 months old, which is not a very good thing as new websites never have credibility whatsoever. So now let's check out there some other details like about us section. So here we can see that they have given some information about themselves, but they have not given any information regarding the owner's identity. Also, they have mentioned these details, but let me tell you guys that this whole page is copied. Not even a single word of this website is authentic. Especially this sentence, every profession, hobby, sport, passion, this one is, and uniqueness in caps. These are something that used widely by many scam sites this year, which is a very bad thing. So we can see that they have given a full copied about us page. The prices of the products are heavily discounted. They seem like they are trying to lure you in, and the payment methods are sufficient though. So now let's check out their contact us section. So here they have given their contact service email ID, which does not matches with the website domain, which is a bad thing. Although they have given their company's address, but the address is not a legit one. They have given fake information, which is again a negative sign. Now talking about the social media presence, the site is having no social media presence whatsoever, which is again a very bad sign. So now let's move ahead to return policy. Here they have mentioned that they have 40 days of return policy and 3-day product guarantee. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. Now talking about the customer reviews, the site is having no customer reviews on its own website or on Google or anywhere else, which is again a suspicious thing. Now looking into the website content quality, the website content quality is very much bad. As we can see that they have given copied content, copied images, fake information as well, and they have also seemed to have some errors like grammatical errors, etc., which is again a very suspicious and negative sign. So guys, giving a final verdict, we currently do not recommend this site to you because this site looks like a proper scam to us. because the site is very new. It is giving various copied content and fake information, which is not a very good thing. And if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.